AI agents are becoming a core part of how organizations work with data. They answer questions, assist users, automate decisions, and support business processes across teams. But for AI to be truly effective, it needs trusted, governed master data. Today, connecting AI agents to master data is still a challenge. Access typically happens through traditional integration approaches, such as APIs or custom services. While powerful, these interfaces were designed for application-to-application communication, and not for AI agents that need to discover data, understand its meaning, and use it safely. As a result, organizations often create tailored integrations for each AI use case. AI agents need prior knowledge of the data model, and as usage scales, governance, control, and scalability become increasingly difficult to manage. In short, while AI is accelerating fast, connecting AI to master data in a governed, scalable, and reusable way has remained a major gap. With the 26.2 update, Stibo Systems introduces MCP Server support for AI-driven access to approved master data. It provides a common interaction layer between AI and the Stibo Systems platform, enabling AI agents to discover data, retrieve context, and query approved master data in a consistent and controlled way. Instead of relying on custom integrations, MCP allows AI agents to interact with master data through a well-defined, discoverable interface in a controlled, governed, and AI-friendly way. Agents no longer need hard-coded knowledge of the underlying data model. Instead, they can understand what data is available, what it means, and how it can be accessed, all while respecting existing governance and access controls. This foundation enables a wide range of AI-driven scenarios, such as answering questions about products or customers, assisting users with contextual insights, or supporting internal and external AI assistants that rely on trusted master data. By building on the capabilities of data as a service, the consumer MCP server provides a semantic layer that helps large language models and AI agents better understand, interpret, and act on enterprise master data with greater accuracy, consistency, and trust. The result is a more scalable and future-ready foundation for AI, reduced integration overhead across AI scenarios, clear separation between AI clients and data implementation, consistent governance, throttling, and usage control. A reusable approach that supports a growing ecosystem of AI agents. With the consumer MCP server, we enable organizations to focus on how AI delivers value with master data, rather than on rebuilding integrations for every new AI initiative. To demonstrate how AI can interact with master data through MCP, we'll walk through an example using an AI agent connected to the consumer MCP server. In this case, we're using a sample agent built in Copilot Studio. Here, we have a product Q&A assistant. Let's start by asking a simple question. The AI agent processes the request and retrieves the relevant information through the consumer MCP server. In response, we receive structured product details, including key attributes and associated assets, such as product images and documents, with relevant document content also interpreted as part of the response. On the left, we can also see how the agent interacts with the consumer MCP server, retrieving schema information and executing queries to access the appropriate master data. Because the agent understands both the data and its context, we can continue the conversation naturally. For example, we can ask, "Can you provide the mounting instructions?" The agent retrieves the relevant information and responds using content from the installation manual, while also including a direct link to the document for further reference. Since assets are part of the master data model, the agent can incorporate information from documents such as manuals and specifications and provide links for further reference. We can continue exploring more use cases. What maintenance is required? The agent responds with a maintenance routine based on the available master data or content interpreted from documents. And similarly, how do I clean the device? Again, the relevant information is retrieved and presented instantly. So, what enables this experience? Behind the scenes, everything starts with well-structured master data in STEP. Here, we can see the product, how it is modeled, the attributes available, and the linked assets. This includes both product images and supporting documents, such as installation manuals. The consumer MCP server makes the step data easier for agents to understand by adding business context and meaning on top of the data model, creating a semantic layer that helps agents interpret the available information. These assets are fully integrated into the master data model, making them accessible to AI agents through MCP. So, how is this experience configured? Let's take a look at how the agent is set up in Copilot Studio and connected to the consumer MCP server. Here, we define the agent's purpose and provide instructions on how it should respond. For example, we can guide the agent to include relevant digital assets such as manuals or images when answering user queries. To enable access to master data, we connect the agent to the consumer MCP server. This is done by adding MCP as a tool and configuring a connection using the appropriate credentials. Once the connection is established, the agent can securely interact with the MCP server and access governed master data through the defined schemas and services. Finally, we link this connection to the agent, enabling it to use MCP during conversations. And that's what powers the experience we saw earlier. The AI agent is able to discover, understand, and interact with master data, not through custom integrations, but through a standardized, governed interface provided by the consumer MCP server, built on underlying data as a service capabilities within the platform.